Get ready for an unforgettable summer adventure at Universal Orlando. From the grand opening of DreamWorks Land to the magical Hogwarts Always show, 2024 is packed with new attractions and experiences. Join us for a summer filled with excitement, fun, and memories, as we review the top 5 reasons to visit the Universal Orlando theme parks during the summer of 2024. Reason number 1 is the opening of DreamWorks Land. DreamWorks Land at Universal Studios Florida is the newest addition to the theme park and is set to open on June 14, 2024. This immersive area brings beloved DreamWorks characters and stories to life, offering guests a chance to step into the worlds of Shrek, Kung Fu Panda, Trolls, and more. Visitors can look forward to interactive attractions, character meet and greets, themed dining experiences, and unique shopping opportunities. Highlights include thrilling rides inspired by the movie Trolls, playful zones like Shrek's Swamp, and fun experiences at Po's Kung Fu Training Camp. DreamWorks Land promises to be a must-visit destination for families and fans of all ages, adding a new dimension of fun and adventure to Universal Orlando. Reason number 2 is the all-new nighttime spectacular, Hogwarts Always. This castle projection show is set to debut on June 14, 2024, and will take place in front of Hogwarts Castle at the Wizarding World of Harry Potter in Universal's Islands of Adventure. The show features iconic moments from a school year at Hogwarts, brought to life through stunning projections on the castle's facade. One of the unique aspects of Hogwarts Always is that it will have 4 different endings, offering a varied experience for repeat visitors. The third reason to visit Universal this summer is the all-new Mega Movie Parade. This exciting new daytime parade set to debut on July 3, 2024, and will showcase floats and characters from a variety of beloved film franchises, including E.T., Back to the Future, Jaws, and Ghostbusters. The parade will feature a number of brand new floats and nearly 100 performers, promising a high-energy spectacle that celebrates both classic and more recent films. The fourth reason to visit Universal this summer is the new nighttime lagoon show, CineSational, a symphonic spectacular. This new lagoon show will debut on June 14, 2024, and will replace the previous cinematic celebration that opened in 2018. The show will feature a symphonic journey through some of Universal's most beloved films, including Harry Potter, Fantastic Beasts, Jurassic World, Jaws, and Shrek. Guests will be treated to a mesmerizing display of water, lights, and projections that bring these iconic stories to life. The fifth reason to visit the Universal theme parks this summer is all of their amazing roller coasters. Among our favorites is the Jurassic World Velocicoaster at Universal's Islands of Adventure. This coaster reaches speeds of up to 70 miles per hour, has 4 inversions, 2 high-speed launches, a 155-foot-tall top hat, and up to 12 airtime moments. Hang on tight as we are going for a ride. Another one of our favorite coasters at the Universal Orlando theme parks is Hagrid's Magical Creatures Motorbike Adventure. This coaster offers great thrills but does not go upside down. To recap, here are the top 5 reasons to visit the Universal Orlando theme parks this summer. 1. DreamWorks Land. 2. The new Hogwarts Always projection show. 3. The Universal Mega Movie Parade. 4. CineSational, a symphonic spectacular. And 5. The Universal Orlando roller coasters. We hope you found this information useful in planning your vacation. Check out some of the videos on our channel to learn more about the rides, attractions, and resort hotels at the Universal Orlando Resort.